Hi, my name is Nick from Central Florida, and I hope that this channel can be a source of information as well as inspiration as my wife Aurelia and I work to make our lives a little bit more self-reliant. And we hope that you can enjoy our projects and learn a little bit along the way. Thanks. With my education in aerospace engineering, I take each self-reliance project seriously and carefully make detailed plans. Here you see the chicken coop I've recently completed from recycled pallets. AutoCAD is very important in the design process. You can learn how we're going to turn 3,200 square feet into a beautiful irrigated garden plot. I'm sure you'll agree that products on the market are often sold at a premium. I love finding how I can make these for myself cheaper and better. But until now, this has always been for my personal use. But I believe there are many out there who are looking for similar DIY solutions. So I'm happy to use YouTube now as a medium to share. We utilize recycled materials whenever possible. Breaking down dozens of pallets really gives us a lot of materials, and so much in fact that we had to use some of them to organize them in this pallet shelf. The biggest goal ahead is the construction of our small home where I, with the help of my family, will be performing all the labor for the build. I think it's everyone's dream to have a home free of rent or mortgage. You can follow the progress of our projects and future endeavors, including our garden, keeping chickens, beekeeping, water collection, wastewater treatment, and more to come here at Life is Free.